Through this video, you will be able to see a zebra interacts in a zoo cage and how does it in habitat natural. The supply of zebras. Zebras are exclusively herbivorous mammals. It means that base their diet on plants, seeds and bark, owing to its digestive system that makes them a little more big. Will spend more than half time eating. They can get to walk 20 kilometers or more a day in search of food, but then always return to his origin. In adult habitat generally are in any part of Africa, placing in different zones according to each zebra. Species such as mountain zebra, zebra australis, or zebra common. Some live more in the southwest of the African continent, while others can be extended to its eastern part, and some remain in the south, the African continent. How is their reproduction? Well, zebras' females are mature reproductive, males are ready at age of 3, while males can reproduce newly complete the 5 years. The gestions have a time of 12 months and parents look after 1 year to his breeding, usually born in a single breeding, except for a special case that can reach to birth twins. The fetus is born completely black, and the strips appear only later, being very thin and becoming more broad as the animal is becoming more adult. Thanks for watching the video. The members of the group are Erendía Joaquín, Pablo Landaida, Brian Miño, Nicolás Mondín and Ignacio Ortol.